How would this be suspicious? That impressive. Oh, stupid. LaVictoria.com, I'm sure for that. It's like it's trying to make a shelf go, but it can.
WABA News Time 5:55. If you're just joining us, we want to reiterate here a tornado warning is in effect until 6:45. Last check, our radar showed this possible tornado near Riverside, moving to the east at 30 miles per hour. Our calculations show this storm is now on Englewood, Humboldt Park, and it should be approaching Bridgeport, Chicago, Lincoln Park at around 6 o'clock. Mixfield, Hyde Park, and Navy Pier. Mixfield now north of the island at around 6:05. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter immediately. We understand tornado sirens are now being sounded throughout our listening area, especially here in Cook County.
Also in parts of Wisconsin, too, a tornado warning for southeastern Forest County, northeast Wisconsin, northeastern Langley County, and northern Conzo County in northeast Wisconsin, as we see the system, part of the system breaking off in that area as well.
Hour 10 up on Eaton's 30 to Lake Inbound hour 25. Eaton's getting worse by the minute. The Eisenhower is an hour and 15 to Thorndale. Inbound hour 15 from Thorndale. Stevenson looks like it's jammed right. That's even wild. After that, 45 to the Tri-State. Inbound's an hour from 355. Ryan to 95th, 23. Looks like the inbound side is also backed up 23 to 95th in downtown. 57 heavy out to 103rd. Freeway slow from 103rd. And let's drive north of the Stevenson to Chicago Avenue. South one of you, White.
It's gonna cut on the computer.
Pretty messy. South one of you, Westlake to the O'Hare Oasis. Roosevelt to Surrey. Accident. Ogden to 55 northbound, pretty messy, as well as construction debris on the roadway at Ogden and again at Cermak. Traffic and weather together in the 8s every 10 minutes on News Radio 780 WBDN.
Going to get a tornado warning in effect for Central Cook County until 6:45. National Weather Service indicating a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. Storm
Here comes.
Riverside moving east at 30 miles per hour.
So much. Yeah, branches down. One minute.
reports out of Will County of 80-mile-per-hour winds right now. They've sounded some type of early siren system down there. But I can see there are some trees limbs that I've seen down near me. There was one period where it blew through pretty good, but for me, what I've been seeing is just the amount of volume on the rain that just keeps coming and coming and coming.
6:45, exact weather's about Washington and Nixon. That's a severe thunderstorm warning for those areas right now under a tornado warning. It was traveling in that direction, so it sort of stands to reason. We're getting a light show crossing the white front right about now. And one of our colleagues, Dave from Lombard, that mentioned that there was some power signal traffic light troubles. That's
this rain-wrapped tornado situation, what advice can you give people about, are there any warning signs? Can you feel a tornado, or is it just a rumble that you're going to hear? And that's a tornado.
That's an important point. There are a lot of other cues that you may hear, and also
Did you see that?
Yeah?
Too. Around
the hell was that?
Power line snap, the wind
large
blowing
amount
up.
of electricity. So if there's an unusual
Are we trying to
lightning, or just lightning in general, you can be close to the circulation.
Room of your building, away from windows. If you're in a high-rise building, get away from the windows if you're downtown Chicago. If you have a basement, go to your basement
Dude,
now.
did that guy just give him a
Shelter now.
code or
This is a very
something?
dangerous storm. WBBM's Bernie
This guy
Capoy
just
is with
gave
us
him
now
a
on the
code.
south side. Bernie?
And I'm at 111th and the trend right now. Like 10 minutes ago, I was at 95th and Stony Island.
Here, take this, be safe.
Throw him like a bag of chips. Like, don't worry about it.
We're getting reports now of a power outage in Lamont, so this is going to be a slow process, and you need to have.
Wow, you
patience,
can't even like see anything.
Yeah, I know.
Best they can. The elements of down, green, everything.
I don't know if you're very quiet. You can hear the sirens. Now, outside our building here, the sirens are sounding right here near Millennium Park.
And we do have one at Valville and Wabash.
And Leon, our producer, says Michigan and Roosevelt now. We just got a call from tornado sirens going off. And a severe thunderstorm warning has just now been issued for southeastern Cook County.
An hour 20. Eisenhower is an hour 10 to Wolf. Inbound an hour 25 from Thorndale. Stevenson, we're looking at 2 hours to the tri-state. It's just crawling out there. Inbound's about 2:20 from 3:55 in. Ryan had moves both directions. Obviously, going to USA for the time being. Might want to do so. Lakeshore Drive delays. Stevenson.
I need a warning to tell you about this one in southern Cook County until 7 o'clock. The National Weather Service reporting a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm located near Madison, moving east at 45 miles per hour,
Is still active. Weather Service radar is still indicating a possible tornado, a possible rain-wrapped tornado in a line of severe squall line storms, mainly extending from Forest View to northeast of Hyde Park, moving to the east at 20 miles per hour.
WBBM780.com.
WBBM News Time 631 as our coverage continues here of tornadoes in the Chicago area. Let's go live to the newsline. Karen Pride with the city's Department of Aviation, spokesperson for the airports.
Listed. So our best recommendation is if you're picking up passengers or if you have plans to travel this evening, check your airline's website to get the latest information about the status of your flight and whatever policies airlines have with regard to delays, cancellations, and any other information that passengers might need.